Hello everyone, welcome you all. We have started discussing about the national parks in India and the tiger reserves in India. In today's session, we are going to see the Union Territory, that is Andaman and Nicobar Island. This is the overall national parks present in Andaman and the Nicobar Island. One is Saddle Peak, that is important, and then Rani Jhansi, Mahatma Gandhi, Mount Harriet, Campbell Bay, and Galathea Bay National Parks are very important national parks present in Andaman and Nicobar Island. Let us discuss few facts related to the Campbell Bay and Galathea National Parks. So these facts are very important related to the exam perspective. See, this is the part of the Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. One has to note down very important facts related to the Great Nicobar Biosphere. So that is also very important. See the map here. I am just noting down the map. So this is about the Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. So here this reserve is very important. Let us see the few facts related to the Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. This Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve encompasses the large part, that is 85% of the island of Great Nicobar, and also largest of the Nicobar Islands in the Indian Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Island. And also note down that this Nicobar lies in Bay of Bengal. So kindly remember that is also, and then it is present in eastern part of Indian Ocean. So that is also very important, eastern part of the Indian Ocean, and then it is 190 kilometers to the north, okay, to the north of Indonesia's island. That is also very important, Indonesian island, the famously called as Sumatra. So kindly remember those things. These facts are very important. And also it has the square, that is approximately area respect to the 885 kilometers square. And also note down that so this is surrounded by the 12-kilometer wide forest. So this is 12-kilometer wide forest present, that is called as, famously called as, this is called as forest buffer zone. So kindly remember, so forest buffer zone. And also note down that this biosphere, okay, in 2013 this biosphere added in the UNESCO list, okay, UNESCO list of man and biosphere program. So kindly note down these facts related to the national, that is Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. And then this Campbell Bay and Galathea National Parks are separated by 12-kilometer wide forest buffer zone. And also note down that this Galathea National Park is the southmost national park of India. So here just I am marking down in the map. So kindly remember that also. And then one has to note about the vegetation related to the Campbell Bay and Galathea National Parks. See, this is the tropical moist broadleaf forest. So kindly remember it is tropical moist broadleaf forest, and then evergreen and semi-evergreen deciduous tree species. So kindly remember those facts. Surely it would help you during your preparations. And then this is very important. Most major fauna present here are Gain robber crab, macapod, and Nicobar pigeon. So this is very important facts related to the Campbell Bay and then Galathea National Parks. With this, I am moving to the Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park. This Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park is located near to the Wonder Beach of Port Blair. So kindly remember this is the Port Blair. So this is near to the Mahatma Gandhi National Park, and it is one of the most famous national parks in Andaman for its colorful marine life, lively coral reef, and snorkeling sites. And also it is a man-made park wherein one can witness variety of flora and fauna and some of the endangered species like water lizard, wild boar, and sea snakes. So this is also very important. It was declared park to protect coral and nesting sea turtles prevalent in that area. And then most of the coral reefs in the parks are fringe reefs. So kindly note down this about these fringe reefs also. And then the major vegetation is mangroves. So kindly remember the mangroves. And then major fauna is water lizard, wild boar, and sea snakes. So this is the few facts related to the exam perspective. So kindly note down this. And then Mount Harriet National Park. So here the Mount Harriet National Park. So let us discuss the few facts related to the Mount Harriet. See, it is considered to be the well-known national parks in Andaman, since it is considered to be the most exotic and one of the most visited national parks on the island. It is spread across the area 46 square kilometer. So okay, 46 square kilometer, and also it's at a height of 383 meter, and also it is home for a very few species. And also note down that it is the third largest peak in the Andaman and Nicobar. And then the park is named after Harriet C. Titler. Okay, so she is the wife of British Army officer. What she has done, that is important. Harriet is remembered for her work in documenting the monuments of Delhi. So kindly remember about the Harriet also. And then major fauna present here are Andaman wild pigs, saltwater crocodiles, turtles, and robber crabs. So this is also very important. And also we can move on with the thing. The park is also famously called as Butterfly Hotspot. So this is the few facts related to the Mount Harriet National Park. And then we are moving with the Rani Jhansi Marine National Park. So remember that this North Button and Middle Button and South Button. So these are the national parks. This totally forms the part of Rani Jhansi Marine National Parks of the coast of South Andaman Island. So kindly remember these things. And then major terrestrial fauna are spotted deer, water lizards, and monitor lizards. And then one of the most famous national park in Andaman Island, that is North Button Island Park. It's a must visit place also, and also it is spread across 114 square kilometers. So kindly remember, okay, 114 kilometers. This spot attracts and all over the mammals, and then diverse for the animal species. And then very important thing is major marine faunas, that is dugongs, and then dolphins, sea turtles, blue whales, and coral, etc. present here with this. And then South Button Island. So here, so kindly remember the small terrestrial. Okay, this is very small to support any major terrestrial life. So kindly remember this about the Andaman and Nicobar Island. So this is the very small. Okay, with this I am moving with the Saddle's Peak. So this is about the Saddle's Peak National Park. So it is spanning across the area of 85 square kilometer. Kindly remember 85 square kilometers. It lies in the northern part of Andaman district. And then this is the highest point. So 732 meters of Andaman and Nicobar Island. And then the major faunas are wild pig, and then Andaman imperial pigeon, dolphins, whales, and saltwater crocodiles, and then water monitor lizard also there. So kindly remember this park is also treated for the trekkings. So and then very important thing about this Saddle Peak National Park is it offers the 8-kilometer long trek from its entry to the peak of the mountain. And then this is one of the most famous place. So kindly remember those things related to the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So we have discussed about the national park present in it. With this, I am concluding this session. We will meet in the. Thank you all. Have a good day.